So let's just talk about this underscore underscore name equal underscore underscore main in Python. So this underscore underscore name, also known as double underscore variable, or we call this dunder variable name. So this dunder variable name is a special variable in Python and it represents the name of the current module. So if we have the module 1, so if we run the script directly within this module, it will have the value underscore underscore main. Otherwise, if we import that module in other package and if we run this indirectly, then it will have the value of this module name. So in that case, it will have the value module 1. So based on how we call this, the dunder name has different value. If we call this directly within the module, then it will have the value main. If we call this indirectly from other module, then it will have the value of the module's name. So like an example, here we have the file 1 and file 2. So inside the file 1, so let's now print file 1 underscore underscore name value. So let's now print the value of the underscore underscore name. So if we run this script directly, you can see the underscore underscore name has the value underscore underscore main because we are running this directly. But suppose we are importing this script in file 2, so import file 1. So now we are importing file 1. So as we know, whenever we import something in Python, we are basically going to execute the whole file. So because we are importing here, so we are going to execute the whole file. So we should print this output also. So let's now run the file 2. So we are executing Python file 2. So we are running this file. You can see now we have the output. So the underscore underscore name value is the file 1. So this time it has the value equal to the name of the file. So whenever we call this directly, then it has a value of main, and whenever we call this indirectly from this import, it has the value equal to the name of the file, which is file 1. So we are clear about the value of name in different scenarios. Let's now talk about the real problem. So suppose inside the file 1 we have one function do something. Now the function prints file 1 do something. So here inside the file 1 we have the function and also we are calling the function, and that is totally fine. Now whenever we import the function here, so let's just import. So from file 1 import do something. So now we're importing the function do something and we're gonna call the function do something. So now if we run the file 2, you can see here we have the output 2 times. So the function is executing 2 times, and that is because whenever we import this, it will execute the whole thing. So we are also executing that function, and also whenever we run that function, then also we are getting this output. So this way we have 2 outputs, but we do not want this to happen. So we only want to execute the function whenever we call it like this, not whenever we import in other module. So basically whenever we import this, then also the whole thing executes, and we wanted to stop that. Now to stop this, we can make use of this dunder name variable because it has different value based on how we call this. So if we call this directly, it has a different value, and if we call this indirectly, it has different value. So we're gonna make use of that. So for that, here we can write if the dunder name variable value is equal the underscore underscore main, then only we are going to run this function. Otherwise, if we are importing from other package, this will not execute because this time the dunder name will have the value equal to the module name, which is file 1. So now if we run this, so now the function executes only once. That means here the function is only called and not whenever we are importing this. So hope you understand about this dunder name variable equal underscore underscore main. So see you in the next one. Take care.